Imagine a world where seeing isn't believing anymore. What if your favorite celebrity said something controversial, but it turns out they never actually said it? Welcome to the era of deepfakes. Today, we're delving into this fascinating and somewhat alarming technology. Deepfakes, a portmanteau of deep learning and fake, emerged on the digital scene in 2017. A Reddit user posted doctored porn clips, swapping the faces of celebrities onto porn performers. This was the first instance of deepfakes, and it opened a Pandora's box of possibilities, both exciting and concerning. These AI-generated fake videos use deep learning algorithms to create hyper-realistic but entirely false images and videos of events that never happened. The process requires powerful computing resources and expertise, although today there are tools and services available to help create them. Initially, many deepfakes were of a pornographic nature. However, over time, their use has evolved. They've been used for spoof, satire, and mischief, but their potential misuse can range from harassment and intimidation to influencing stock prices, voters, and even inflaming religious tensions. Not confined to the visual realm, deepfakes can also manipulate audio. This allows for the creation of fake voices of public figures, adding another layer to the deception. For instance, artificial intelligence has been used to recreate the voice of the late chef Anthony Bourdain, sparking ethical debates. In the realm of entertainment and art, deepfakes have posed challenges and raised questions about cultural appropriation, copyright, and ownership. Cases like the virtual rapper FN Mika, an AI-powered robot rapper, stirred debates about real-life artists' stakes in the development of virtual characters. One of the most concerning impacts of deepfakes is the erosion of trust in society. It's becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish truth from falsehood, leading to a potential reality crisis. Facebook has stepped in to ban deepfake videos that are likely to mislead viewers, but shallow fakes, less sophisticated fake videos are still allowed. Detecting deepfakes is a challenge, but efforts are being made. Research is being funded to develop detection methods, aiming to stay one step ahead of this rapidly evolving technology. To recap, deepfakes started as a disturbing trend on Reddit in 2017. They've since evolved into a tool used for humor, mischief, and unfortunately deception. The technology uses deep learning algorithms to create fake images, videos, and even voices. As deepfakes become more common and convincing, they pose a threat to trust and truth in society. Efforts to detect and combat deepfakes are ongoing, but it's clear that this is a challenge we'll continue to face in the digital age. So the next time you see a video of a celebrity or public figure doing or saying something unexpected, take a moment. Could it be a deepfake? In this age of advanced technology, it's more important than ever to question what we see and hear.